Imagine a world where you can learn artificial intelligence from the biggest names in tech, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, IBM, and more, without paying a single cent. In 2026, this is not just a dream, but a reality. Today, we'll explore the best free AI courses with certificates, offered by reputable organizations and universities. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about AI, these opportunities are designed to help you grow your skills and advance your career. Get ready to discover how you can access world-class AI education for free and earn certificates that showcase your expertise. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries across the globe. From healthcare and education to business and software development, AI is at the heart of innovation. Learning AI skills is more than just a trend, it's a way to future-proof your knowledge and open doors to new career opportunities. As companies increasingly rely on AI, professionals who understand its fundamentals and applications will stand out. By investing time in AI education now, you're preparing yourself for a rapidly evolving job market and gaining tools to solve real-world problems. Let's see how you can start building these essential skills. Google AI Essentials is your gateway to understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. This course covers AI fundamentals, prompting techniques, responsible AI use, and productivity applications. With Google's trusted branding and practical approach, you'll learn how AI can be integrated into everyday workflows. The course is designed for beginners, making it accessible to anyone interested in starting their AI journey. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate that demonstrates your grasp of core AI concepts. Google's focus on responsible AI ensures you're learning not just the technology, but also the ethical considerations behind it. Microsoft Learn offers a comprehensive set of free learning paths focused on artificial intelligence. You can dive into generative AI, Copilot, Azure AI, and prompt engineering, all at your own pace. The platform provides interactive dashboards and real-world examples, helping you understand how AI is used in business and technology. Microsoft's courses are structured to guide you from foundational concepts to advanced applications. By completing these learning paths, you'll earn certificates that validate your skills and knowledge. Microsoft Learn is ideal for those who want to explore AI in depth and apply it to professional scenarios. IBM SkillsBuild is a platform dedicated to helping learners master AI, generative AI, and AI ethics. Through online modules and digital badges, you'll gain practical knowledge and credentials that are recognized by employers. IBM's courses are designed to be flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace. The digital badges you earn serve as proof of your skills and can be added to your professional portfolio. With a focus on ethical AI, IBM ensures you're not only learning the technology, but also understanding its impact on society. SkillsBuild is perfect for those seeking both technical and ethical expertise. Elements of AI is a beginner-friendly course created by the University of Helsinki. Its mission is to make AI accessible to everyone, regardless of background or experience. The course covers fundamental concepts in artificial intelligence, providing clear explanations and practical examples. You'll join a global community of learners, sharing insights and collaborating on projects. Upon completion, you'll earn a certificate that highlights your understanding of AI basics. Elements of AI is ideal for those who want to start their AI journey in a supportive and inclusive environment, guided by academic experts. OpenAI Academy is designed to help learners understand generative AI, prompting, and practical AI applications. The platform offers a structured learning roadmap, guiding you through the essentials of AI and its real-world uses. You'll explore how AI assistants can boost productivity and streamline workflows. OpenAI's courses are tailored for both beginners and those with some experience, ensuring everyone can benefit. By completing the Academy's modules, you'll gain valuable insights into the latest AI technologies and earn certificates that showcase your skills. OpenAI Academy is a great resource for anyone eager to stay ahead in the AI field. Anthropic Academy offers courses focused on AI fluency, Claude tools, agentic workflows, and emerging AI technologies. You'll learn how to use Claude AI interfaces and understand the latest advancements in agentic systems. The Academy provides practical exercises and diagrams to help you visualize complex concepts. By mastering these tools, you'll be prepared to work with cutting-edge AI solutions and contribute to innovative projects. Anthropic Academy is ideal for learners who want to deepen their understanding of AI and stay updated on new developments in the field. Deep Learning AI provides practical courses on generative AI, prompt engineering, and large language models. You'll work on real-world AI projects and learn how neural networks function. The platform's hands-on approach ensures you gain experience with the latest AI tools and techniques. By completing Deep Learning AI courses, you'll earn certificates that demonstrate your ability to build and deploy AI solutions. The curriculum is designed for both beginners and advanced learners, making it a versatile resource for anyone interested in AI development. Kaggle Learn is a hands-on platform offering machine learning and AI exercises. You'll work with data science notebooks, coding tasks, and practical projects that build real-world skills. The platform is designed to help you apply AI concepts in a practical setting, making learning interactive and engaging. Upon completion, you'll earn certificates that validate your expertise and can be shared with employers. Kaggle Learn is perfect for those who want to gain experience with data-driven AI solutions and enhance their technical portfolio. Beyond the main courses, there are additional free AI learning resources from AWS Skill Builder, NVIDIA Training, and Meta. These platforms offer specialized modules, interactive exercises, and certificates that can boost your resume. AWS focuses on cloud-based AI, NVIDIA provides training on AI hardware and software, and Meta covers social media AI applications. By exploring these bonus platforms, you'll expand your knowledge and gain access to unique learning opportunities. These resources are ideal for learners who want to diversify their AI skills and explore new technologies. Make the most of these free AI courses, follow a structured learning roadmap. Start with Google AI Essentials to build your foundation, then move to Elements of AI for a deeper understanding. Next, explore Microsoft Learn and IBM Skills Build for advanced concepts and ethical considerations. OpenAI Academy and Anthropic Academy will help you master generative and agentic AI, while Deep Learning, AI and Kaggle Learn provide hands-on experience. By following this roadmap, you'll progress from beginner to advanced, earning certificates at each stage and preparing yourself for a successful AI career. Now that you know about the best free AI courses with certificates, it's time to choose a program that matches your goals. Whether you're aiming for career growth, skill development, or personal interest, these courses offer something for everyone. Begin your AI learning journey today and unlock new opportunities in technology and innovation. With certificates from leading organizations and universities, you'll stand out in the job market and be ready for the future of AI. Stay motivated and keep exploring new resources as you advance your skills. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling faster diagnoses, personalized treatments, and improved patient outcomes. AI-powered tools analyze medical data, assist doctors in making decisions, and streamline administrative tasks. Learning about AI in healthcare can open doors to specialized roles and help you contribute to life-saving innovations. As you explore free AI courses, consider how these skills can be applied in medical settings. The intersection of technology and healthcare is creating new opportunities for professionals who understand both fields. AI is transforming education by personalizing learning experiences, automating grading, and supporting teachers. Intelligent tutoring systems adapt to individual student needs, making education more effective and engaging. By understanding AI's role in education, you can explore opportunities in EdTech and help shape the future of learning. Free AI courses provide the foundation needed to innovate in educational technology and create solutions that benefit students and educators alike. Businesses are leveraging AI to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth. AI-powered analytics help companies make data-driven decisions and identify new market opportunities. Learning AI skills can position you for roles in business intelligence, marketing, and operations. Free AI courses teach you how to apply AI in business contexts, enabling you to contribute to organizational success and innovation. AI is increasingly integrated into software development, automating coding tasks, improving testing, and enabling smarter applications. Developers who understand AI can create more efficient and innovative software solutions. Free AI courses provide the technical foundation needed to build intelligent systems and stay competitive in the tech industry. By mastering AI concepts, you'll be prepared to tackle complex challenges and contribute to the next generation of software. Responsible AI use is a critical concept in today's technology landscape. It involves understanding the ethical implications of AI, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Free AI courses often include modules on responsible AI, teaching you how to develop and deploy AI solutions that respect privacy and avoid bias. By learning about responsible AI, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions and contribute to ethical technology development. Prompt engineering is a foundational skill for working with generative AI models. It involves crafting effective prompts to guide AI systems in producing desired outputs. Free AI courses teach you how to design prompts, test their effectiveness, and refine them for better results. By mastering prompt engineering, you'll be able to interact with AI models more efficiently and unlock their full potential. This skill is valuable for anyone interested in AI development or research. Generative AI refers to systems that can create new content, such as text, images, or music, based on learned patterns. This technology powers tools like Copilot and Claude, enabling creative and productive workflows. Free AI courses introduce you to the principles of generative AI, its applications, and how to use it responsibly. Understanding generative AI is essential for anyone looking to innovate in fields like content creation, automation, and design. AI ethics is a core topic in modern AI education. It covers issues like bias, privacy, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Free AI courses from IBM and other platforms include dedicated modules on AI ethics, helping you understand the societal impact of technology. By learning about AI ethics, you'll be prepared to develop solutions that are fair and trustworthy and contribute to responsible innovation. Large language models, LLMs, are advanced AI systems capable of understanding and generating human-like text. They power applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, and content generators. Free AI courses from Deep Learning, AI and OpenAI Academy teach you how LLMs work, their strengths and limitations. By mastering LLMs, you'll be able to build intelligent applications and stay at the forefront of AI technology. AI fluency refers to the ability to understand, use, and communicate about AI technologies effectively. Anthropic Academy and other platforms offer courses that build AI fluency, covering key concepts, tools, and workflows. By becoming fluent in AI, you'll be able to collaborate with technical teams, explain AI solutions to stakeholders, and drive innovation in your organization. AI fluency is a valuable skill for professionals in any industry. Agentic workflows involve using AI agents to automate tasks, manage processes, and enhance productivity. Anthropic Academy teaches you how to design and implement agentic workflows, leveraging AI tools like Claude. By understanding agentic workflows, you'll be able to create efficient systems that save time and resources. This concept is increasingly important as organizations adopt AI-powered automation. Digital credentials, such as badges and certificates, are proof of your AI skills and achievements. Platforms like IBM SkillsBuild and Kaggle Learn award digital credentials upon course completion. These credentials can be added to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or portfolio, helping you stand out to employers. Understanding the value of digital credentials is essential for showcasing your expertise and advancing your career. Hands-on AI projects are a key part of learning. Platforms like Deep Learning, AI and Kaggle Learn provide practical exercises that help you apply AI concepts to real-world problems. By working on projects, you'll gain experience, build your portfolio, and develop problem-solving skills. Hands-on learning is the best way to understand how AI works and prepare for professional roles in technology. Cloud-based AI learning platforms like AWS Skill Builder offer scalable and flexible courses. You can access resources from anywhere, collaborate with peers, and work on cloud-based projects. Cloud learning is ideal for professionals who want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and technologies. By mastering cloud-based AI, you'll be prepared for roles in cloud computing and AI development. VIDIA training provides courses on AI hardware and software, focusing on GPUs and accelerated computing. You'll learn how to optimize AI models for performance and efficiency. Understanding AI hardware is essential for building scalable and high-performance AI systems. Free courses from NVIDIA help you gain technical skills that are in demand in the industry. Meta offers courses on AI applications in social media, covering content moderation, personalization, and analytics. You'll learn how AI is used to enhance user experiences and manage large-scale platforms. Understanding social media AI can help you pursue roles in digital marketing, content management, and analytics. Free courses from Meta provide valuable insights into the intersection of AI and social networks. AI skills are in high demand across industries. By completing free AI courses and earning certificates, you'll position yourself for career growth and advancement. Employers value candidates who demonstrate expertise in AI, and digital credentials can help you stand out. Whether you're seeking a new job or aiming for a promotion, AI education is a powerful tool for professional development. Free AI courses connect you with a global community of learners, professionals, and experts. You'll collaborate on projects, share insights, and build networks that support your growth. Being part of the AI community helps you stay updated on trends, access new resources, and find mentorship opportunities. Learning AI is not just about individual achievement, it's about joining a movement that shapes the future. If you're new to artificial intelligence, free courses like Elements of AI and Google AI Essentials are perfect starting points. These courses break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, making AI accessible to everyone. You'll learn at your own pace and build confidence as you progress. Starting with beginner courses ensures a solid foundation for more advanced learning. For those with some experience, advanced AI courses from Microsoft Learn, Deep Learning, AI and Anthropic Academy offer deeper insights into generative models, prompt engineering, and agentic workflows. These courses challenge you to apply your knowledge and solve complex problems. Advanced learning prepares you for specialized roles and leadership positions in AI development. Certificates from free AI courses are valuable credentials that demonstrate your skills and commitment to learning. Employers recognize these certificates as proof of your expertise and dedication. By earning multiple certificates, you'll build a portfolio that showcases your abilities and opens doors to new opportunities. AI certification is a key step in professional development. Staying motivated is essential for success in AI learning. Set clear goals, track your progress, and celebrate achievements as you complete courses and earn certificates. Free AI courses provide structured paths and community support to keep you engaged. Motivation drives you to explore new topics, overcome challenges, and reach your full potential in AI. There are countless resources available for AI learning, including online courses, tutorials, forums, and project repositories. Platforms like Google, Microsoft, IBM, OpenAI, and Kaggle offer high-quality materials that cater to different learning styles. By exploring a variety of resources, you'll find the tools and support you need to succeed in AI education. Free AI courses offer flexible learning options, allowing you to study at your own pace and fit education into your schedule. Whether you prefer video lectures, interactive exercises, or reading materials, there's a format that suits your needs. Flexibility ensures you can balance learning with work, family, and other commitments. Support is crucial for successful AI learning. Many platforms offer forums, mentorship, and community groups where you can ask questions and get help. By connecting with other learners and experts, you'll overcome challenges and stay motivated. Support systems make AI education more accessible and enjoyable. Completing free AI courses leads to tangible outcomes, including new skills, certificates, and career opportunities. You'll gain confidence in your abilities and be ready to tackle real-world challenges. Learning outcomes are measurable and help you track your progress as you advance in AI education. AI education is evolving rapidly, with new courses, technologies, and learning methods emerging every year. Staying updated on trends ensures you're learning the most relevant skills and preparing for future developments. Free AI courses from leading organizations reflect the latest advancements and industry needs. Learning AI can be challenging, especially for beginners. Complex concepts, technical jargon, and fast-paced advancements may feel overwhelming. Free AI courses are designed to break down barriers and provide step-by-step guidance. By embracing challenges and seeking support, you'll overcome obstacles and achieve your learning goals. Success in AI learning comes from dedication, practice, and continuous improvement. Completing courses, earning certificates, and applying skills in real-world projects are key milestones. Free AI courses provide the structure and resources needed to achieve success. Celebrate your progress and keep striving for excellence in AI education. AI learning has a profound impact on individuals, organizations, and society. By gaining AI skills, you contribute to technological progress, drive innovation, and solve important problems. Free AI courses empower you to make a difference and shape the future of technology. The impact of AI learning extends beyond personal achievement to global change. The future of AI learning is bright, with more courses, resources, and opportunities becoming available every year. As technology evolves, so do the ways we learn and apply AI. Free AI courses will continue to play a vital role in democratizing education and preparing learners for the challenges ahead. Stay curious and keep exploring new possibilities in AI. In summary, free AI courses with certificates from leading organizations and universities are available in 2026. These courses cover everything from fundamentals to advanced topics, offering flexible learning paths and valuable credentials. Choose a course that aligns with your goals, follow the learning roadmap, and start your AI journey today. With dedication and curiosity, you'll unlock new opportunities and shape the future of technology.